So guys, ito yung Jollibee. Tutuparin ko na yung request nyo with my baby cams and other crew to eat Jollibee. Okay.
I don't know what to order.
Can I have one chicken sandwich, chicken joy? Is it your first time? Fifth time?
I love Jollibee.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
May I know what is that?
This is Milo.
Okay.
Pepsi.
Pepsi.
Pineapple.
Cheers!
It's cheesy hamburger with
Cheesy
extra
hamburger.
cheese.
Okay, let's see it. If you don't have cutlery.
Wait, what?
Why are you so shocked?
Wait, that's a rice?
Yeah! Oh my god, the filter is so funny.
What is new? The rice seasons out. I thought you ordered the
Okay.
burger.
Nah.
That's it? You don't put it on the rice or anything? It's a bit different, but I like it. I like it. I like it.
What did you order, Z? Show. Original. Oh, you got lipstick here on your. Oh, so sweet. Look at them, so sweet. The singles be like.
Original chicken sandwich.
Oh, spaghetti. Rate? 130. Did you order and rate it?
Around 150.
150 out of 10. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, what did you order? You haven't even bite it.
No, I finished the price, but it says best for last.
It?
Oh, it's 1,000.
1,000. Naman kahit na wala na sila sa aircraft, kahit ano, hindi na sila, wala sila sa aircraft pero talagang report.
Service collection.
Service completed.
Okay, nice. Let's go.